Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be reacting to this video that Soft and Slo Squishes made. It's called How to Squish a Squishy. And I'm not giving any hate on Soft and Slo Squishes. Their squishies are amazing. But yeah, I just honestly, I don't get the point of the video. And I haven't watched the video, but I saw the title. I'm like, we have to watch this. We're reacting to this. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to be giving a squishy collection.
So yeah, I got my squishy band, and let's go. Okay, so first I have this panda bun, and this is not in order. And I just have this tag that says panda bun with this face on it, and it's scented. It smells like strawberry. It's delicious. Not sweet. Then I have this kitty walrus. Here's the tag, and it just has a pink back. I did the face on it, and I think it's trying to go for a dip look. And I got this from Michael's for about $3. Then I have this just looking on the butt. Then I have this mermaid. It's super sterilizing. And you can get these at Target for $5. And Claire's are like $13 to $12. So yeah, go to Target. Then I have this baguette that it's from Hallmark, because my Hallmark is actually closing in my local mall, and everything's half off, so this is $1.50. And it came with a keychain. It's just about as big as my palm. And I have this croissant that I really like, and it's rolled a lot, and I really like the shading. And it also comes with a keychain, and it's also from Hallmark, and it also was $1.50. Then I have this cake that I really like. Has like a layer of thin latex on it, and yeah, I really like it. Oh, and this used to be on it, but it fell off. Then I have the space ball, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's actually in a vlog, which you guys should definitely go check out. Then I have this basketball with this cute kawaii face. And yeah, that's all my squishes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squishes. Now let's get on to the reacting.
I'm like nervous. Like, why am I nervous? I don't even know why I'm nervous. But yeah, okay. I can't play it. I couldn't find my mouse. Okay. I like the intro.
There's lots of ways to squish. Squish it like this. Or squeeze it like this.
It's like squishing it like this. Like, oh, I don't want to break it.
Poke it. But don't use your nails.
She doesn't even have nails. Like,
Watch how
her
the
nails are
berries rise
short.
up. Oh, that's cool. You can pinch it, but not too hard.
I pinch it.
And don't pull it. Or
I get that
don't
part.
twist
Don't
it.
twist or pull your squishies, or
You can press it
very
with your
most
whole
likely
hand,
do it.
but don't slap it. Just press it. And remember to let it rise up nice and slow.
Slapped it.
So slow! Another way you can squish it is by massaging.
Okay, massage here. Ooh.
It feels so soft.
Yeah. How do you massage a squishy? Honestly, I don't know. I like this. Honestly, I just don't like. How are you telling people how to squish squishies? Like, honestly, like, oh, you can poke it. Don't use your nails. But like, really, like, I can't go like this. Like, I don't really like how they told you how to squish a squishy. But if you want me to do more reacting videos, put that in the comments below, and also put what you want me to react to. So yeah, bye.